sisig. Ito mo. Hotdog.
Sir Jay!
Egg Buddha. Putuntak ng doon at sisig ko yun. Ang hiling magbukal-bukal ng lupa.
Take good video.
Hoy, nabuang.
Hello guys, ito po yung manok na lumilipad. At ito po yung joke lang po. Ito yung lechon manok. At ito yung sisig. At ito yung ginataang kalabasa with ano yan, Ate Gina?
Fish.
With fish and ginataang kalabasa with ano yan?
Baboy.
With baboy and adobong baboy. Oh my god, with barbecue chicken pa. With rice, then balinsana, dinuguan.
Daming ulam.
Ayan,
Pagkain, ha?
yan yung friend namin si Punam from Nepal. Alam mo,
She love to eat baboy.
she love to eat
Ay, baboy.
baboy. See? Her fish also like baboy. See? Baboy. Hi, baboy.
Tell also that
Toko.
I like to po.
Hi, baboy. You want to eat baboy? Hello. Nyuk, nyuk, nyuk. Ponam, you know what's the sound of baboy? If they feel anger? Yuk, 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 yuk.
I'm full. I'm full of.
You know guys, sometimes wala kaming pagkain.
What time? Sometimes too much food.
Pero ngayon, sometimes too much food na with chicken sisig, with kalabasa na may ganataan, kalabasa, have also baboy adobo. Ayan, si baboy. Baboy.
Butige.
Hello, baboy. Hello, la 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 la. Yan, guys. Ayan, ha. So,
Hindi
ano pa naman yan? Tapos, uy, ako tapos na. Oh my God.
Magpa-check up ka.
Thank you. Tawag na ako mamaya kayo.
Hello, guys. So,